hello, welcome back to our podcast. And we realized कि हमें 4 months हो गए हैं करते करते.
Yes, it's an achievement.
Kind of an achievement. Also, as we have mentioned before, कि 2-3 महीने ही रह गए हैं of me being here. Then I'm shifting back, so I don't know कि how are we going
But you
to.
can definitely expect the setup will be changed.
Obviously,
Yeah.
because
That's obvious, but okay.
we'll move out, and I don't think owner will let us keep this over.
I'm sure. But it'll be fun.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah. So I'm Sakshi Jain,
I'm Yukasha Ratra.
and this is our podcast called Cause Girls Sing. Double nail.
So we recently watched Kal Ho Na Ho for the nostalgic effect, and no doubt it was a great experience. एकदम innocent, cute, funny movie.
Nostalgia, full 2000 ka.
हाँ, मतलब innocent comedy and drama and crying and
Emotional,
laughing
full.
and like full packed. But also we realized जो चीजें पहले इतना नहीं पता लगता था, how they pick few things as comedy like body shaming and just ageist.
LGBTQ
Yeah, and
community
जैसे
को.
उसमें दिखाया था कि वो कांता बहन, she's being whole dramatic about Shah Rukh Khan and Saif Ali Khan.
Yeah.
Maybe they are in love. So the whole thing was picked up as a comic scene and not something that can actually happen. And Saif Ali Khan is also saying, Dad, no, normal छे, बद्दू normal छे. I love this Naina and this
हाँ तो
and
मतलब
that.
उन्होंने कर दिया था ना कि this is something abnormal क्योंकि they are talking like that even दोस्ताना में I remember watching it.
Yeah, Dostana was the
like
first time when gays were discussed like that or openly it was talked about. But again, they picked up the premise as something comedy. Like ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, but they are
just
saying
pretending
it
just
and
to-
it's funny and because they want to live with a girl. It was the first time it was ever talked about it like that. But again, the premise was quite funny. Like it wasn't something जो सोसाइटी को ऐसा फील नहीं होना चाहिए कि हाँ सच में ऐसा होता है.
हाँ वही
मतलब because obviously it was also not legal at that
Legalized.
time, but nobody was actually accepting it. Even if it happens, they're like हाँ ये ऐसा बोलते हैं but ऐसा होता थोड़ी है.
बट आई थिंक वो वही ना सोसाइटल परसेप्शन ही था कि अगर वो कुछ भी और दिखाएंगे तो इंडियन सोसाइटी एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेगी ना उस चीज को.
Right.
सो इवन लाइक बॉडी शेमिंग और वट एवर बॉलीवुड वॉज शोइंग दैट टाइम पे इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ वॉट पीपल आर थिंकिंग just to get
So
accepted.
majorly we wanted to talk about pre 2018 and post 2018 era because 2018 is when 377 got revoked and movies में कैसे representation था हमेशा if a guy is a little feminine or if he's gay he's picked up as something like someone who is for the comedy effect. He's the comical.
Just for,
he
like, for a reason.
talks like that, he walks like that, and he's just there for like ha 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 for the laughs.
And it was so normal to make fun of those characters.
But society में normal नहीं था तो it doesn't mean they left it as a concept कि हम इसके बारे में बात ही नहीं करेंगे हम इसको दिखाएंगे ही नहीं. They deliberately picked it up to make it a whole scene
Funny
out of
thing.
it कि हाँ this is very fun, this doesn't happen. तो हमारा introduction और conversation to these things were very weird in a way because parents never talked about it. जब हमें realize हुआ and we started asking questions and you know bringing that topic home maybe तब तक parents never thought of this as a discussion which is very much acceptable because उनके lifestyle में ये चीज थी ही नहीं. It's very because boxes में डालना इतना easy है कि they can never think other what do you call permutations and combinations like that.
But ये काफी westernized culture जैसे भी देखा जाता था that it's something that you know western से लाया गया है इंडिया
हाँ तो वो
में
पेरेंट्स
and
तो अभी भी
mental
यही
thing.
बोलते हैं यहाँ पे थोड़ी होता है ये तो वेस्टर्न कल्चर हमें इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है और ये नॉर्मल नहीं है मतलब दे मेक स्टेटमेंट्स जस्ट
But like
पासिंग.
the fact is parents का समझ आता है कि it will take time for them to understand.
राइट
But like I've seen people, you know, of our age or younger to us, you know, speaking about things like this is not normal and making fun of it.
एंड
So
तो
that
मुझे
is
और
very
सैड
weird.
लगता है मतलब weird
I feel sad for them only.
also sad for the generation they are going to raise
Exactly.
because now we want evolution in that sense. It's like you are growing up, but you are not evolving with the society. You are still in that shaded area कि नहीं नहीं ऐसे होते. But somebody very young to me just mentioned कि ठीक है, if two girls are getting married and they want to have a kid, they'll still need a guy to have that kid. So they're not able to differentiate between love and having a kid. It's a very different
उनको नहीं
aspects.
पता कि अभी जो अरेंज मैरिजेस पहले जनरेशन में हुई है, they are so loveless marriages with a child.
Yeah, so love and kid is a total different concept. So they're saying if two girls are coming together, living together, raising a family, it's still not natural to have it because ultimately they need a guy to.
Biologically they can't.
Yeah, so they are not able to accept the fact कि हाँ मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है. But why not? We are having the best of the best content to know it. We are able to feel people as couples. क्यों मतलब मुझे I
I'll
just
tell
don't get
you,
it.
I was like in a girls' boarding school. So like we were so exposed to such things. Like हमारे स्कूल में बहुत normal था. Like we had a lot of lesbian couples and it was so normalized कि कोई उसका fun बना ही नहीं सकता. Like you're not allowed to say anything about it. Because it's just as normal as जब हम co-ed में थे and like we used to see couples, girlfriend, boyfriends. It was like that. So I don't know. I had a good exposure. Like when I was like 20 in 2016, even when 2018 thing got revoked. Even before that, like we were so, I don't know, liberal about these things. But like back in our school, teachers were quite uncomfortable with
Of course,
this
they
thing,
were the like 30, 40-year-old women.
obviously. But like even they were not allowed to make fun of the, identity of the student.
हाँ, they
They
would
were,
just say you should not date, you should
हाँ,
study, but
exactly.
not like कि what you're doing is super abnormal and what is happening.
Exactly. But like one thing that we were not in influence of anything. Like we didn't have mobile phones or laptops or anything. हमें ऐसा कुछ access नहीं था directly. So it was just as natural as it is.
Right.
Okay, like it is coming from within. And there were people who were straight. And वो आए वैसे मतलब they are straight. So they are. So that's what like
मतलब
it
नहीं कि
is.
सब कर रहे हैं तो हाँ we
हाँ.
have to indulge.
So that is difficult for people to make people understand.
मेरे स्कूल में तो मतलब हमारा कोई ओपिनियन ही नहीं था इस चीज को लेके क्योंकि कुछ ऐसा होता ही नहीं था. Nobody was coming forward and saying that okay I'm a guy and I like guys and I'm a girl. And right now it sounds like absurd कि ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, but it was there. Like I think pre 2018 मेरे स्कूल में एटलीस्ट देयर वाज नो कॉन्वर्सेशन अबाउट इट. घर पे तो खैर था ही नहीं, बट देयर वाज जस्ट नो ओपिनियन अबाउट इट. आई डिडंट नो एनीथिंग. आई जस्ट न्यू दिस एज अ वे कॉन्सेप्ट, बट लाइक कुछ ओपिनियन
Again,
ही
थोड़ा
नहीं है.
foreign concept लगता होगा तभी.
फॉरेन कॉन्सेप्ट मतलब वेग ही लगता था कि कभी प्रैक्टिकलिटी में देखा ही नहीं ना वो, तो कुछ ओपिनियन ही नहीं है इस बारे में. Then when 2018 hit and when college hit, so the same year 377 revoked and I started my college, and I've talked about this before. I went to Pearl Academy, which is like a fashion college. Everybody dresses the way they want. They express themselves in this way of fashion and styling and the way they carry themselves. And I saw some men like they coming in suits, chunni. There was a guy who was Sardar and he was a model. So he used to open his hair and dress like very gender fluidly. He dressed and modeled for different concept shoots. It was very new to me, like how normalized it is now. There were no influencers as such. There were no रिप्रेजेंटेशन एज सच जिससे हमें बहुत ही नॉर्मल या फिर कोई मैं ओपिनियन भी बिल्ड कर पाती हूँ उस बारे में. बट व्हेन आई वेंट टू कॉलेज, लाइक माय होराइजन ओपन टू दीज थिंग्स एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई थॉट अबाउट कि भाई एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में एक लॉ था जिसमें किसी की एग्जिस्टेंस ही इलीगल थी.
That's just so crazy जब हम अब उस चीज को सोचते हैं कि मतलब you're not legally allowed to be yourself.
Or feel
and
the feelings that you want to. It is
Exactly.
against the law. I mean,
that's just so
crazy to think about it right now.
Right now.
So when all this, like my horizon opened to these things, I started having an opinion on these things. That's when I came back to home and started discussing with my parents. और फिर उनका opinion जानना कि नहीं ऐसे normal थोड़ी होता है, ये तो दूसरों का सुन के, ये तो foreign का सुन के ऐसा होने लग गया है. इनका अगर किसी को नेचुरली किसी से अट्रैक्टेड फील हो रहा है, एंड देन इफ यू आर सेइंग नो, इफ यू गेट मैरिड, then it will all fine, it all will be fine, you have a kid और सब normal हो जाएगा, सब सही हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
So then imagine living with somebody every day of your life and spending like जितना physically हो सकता है तुम इंसान के साथ spend कर रहे हो and you are not attracted to that person. How
That's
sad is that?
bullshit. This reminds me of that movie, Badai Do. उसमें
Hmm.
बहुत, I don't know, beautifully they showed the reality. कि सोसाइटी में इतना डिफिकल्ट होता है तो अपने पेरेंट्स को समझाओ या अपने सिबलिंग्स को समझाओ या सोसाइटी को समझाओ दैट यू आर अ गे और लेस्बियन और व्हाटएवर और you belong to LGBTQ community. So what they do is they get married and then they chose their lives, like to live with their partners or like to date. So that was so beautiful and बहुत अच्छे से समझाया था, बताया था कि रियलिस्टिकली कैसे हो सकता है और कैसे करते होंगे
क्योंकि
लोग.
रियलिस्टिकली जब स्मॉल सिटीज से तुम आते हो ना, मतलब दिल्ली, मुंबई, बैंगलोर, लाइक व्हेन यू आर ऑफ अ सर्टेन culture and urbanization, you can still think कि maybe I can talk to
समझा
my
सकते
parents.
हैं.
In small cities वो तो कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है, मतलब
Impossible.
वो उनके दिमाग में भी क्रॉस नहीं होगा कि this is something I should discuss with my parents and maybe they'll understand. There's always like what is the plan B to escape it.
Yeah.
So it was very naturally shown that how they created this setting, क्योंकि parents से discuss करने का तो question ही नहीं है. So they created this setting and the guy is dating who he wants to, the girl is dating who she wants to, and then क्योंकि that is the solution. But having said that, शुभ मंगल ज़्यादा सावधान. It was such a flamboyant movie. अगर तुम इंडियन ऑडियंस को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हो कि भाई दिस इज ओके, सो एटलीस्ट मेक देम फील दैट इमोशन कि भाई ये सच में, सी हाउ मच लव इज देयर, सी हाउ मच अटैचमेंट इज देयर, कि कितने कपल्स हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली दीज फीलिंग्स
वो
आर
मुझे बिल्कुल
real.
प्रैक्टिकल लगा ही नहीं.
भाई, it
Like you're
was
not
like-
showing the reality. It's just that you want to prove something and you're doing it.
You wanted to flag that झंडा
हाँ.
of LGBTQ and he came like, yeah, ऐसा होता है, and pulling
Couple
that
भी
guy,
नहीं लग रहे थे वो लोग.
kissing them. ऐसा लग रहा था खुद को ही वो couple feel नहीं कर रहे थे. It was a very superficial thing कि we just need to pick up the flag and show it. मतलब
And a lot of mess. मुझे लगा ऐसा लाइक फैमिलीज का वो रियलिस्टिक नहीं लगा कि उसने बताया अपनी फैमिली को एंड एवरीबडी रिएक्टेड सो वियर्डली इन अ कॉमिक वे अगेन कि सब उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं बट अगेन नॉट बीइंग सीरियस एंड एंड में ही इज डूइंग दैट झंडा थिंगी डिडंट मेक सेंस.
हाँ, मतलब इट वाज टू लाउड फॉर द ऑडियंस,
Exactly.
को अभी ऑडियंस एक्सेप्ट ही कर रही है. दे आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड, दे आर वॉचिंग कमर्शियल मूवीज जो इस टॉपिक पे आ रही है. सो take them through the emotion of being a couple. I was like, let me take my parents and उनको मैं दिखाती हूँ, these concepts are getting introduced, and I was like, what the hell? Like it was like कि उसको दिखाओ feminist कि उसने nose pin पहना हुआ है and he's shirtless picking up the झंडा like, oh, हम लड़ेंगे, ऐसा होता है, मैं प्यार करता हूँ, मतलब it was such a mess. I didn't like that at all.
Same.
Also, do you think sometimes it is taking it too far when you see memes about, like in US, people are coming up and saying, I actually identify as a cat, I identify as a dog. So somebody actually told that they went to this Halloween party and they met someone who identified as a cat. I would love to meet that person actually. मतलब क्या, do you not need to work now, or you just run away on
around.
streets, you just make bitch faces on people and move on? Like what is it about?
आइडेंटिफिकेशन वाला तो पूरा थिंग मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता. लाइक इट्स अ लॉट इन यूएस एंड अभी इंडिया में नहीं है. बट व्हाट इफ ये हमारे लिए थोड़ा जैसे पेरेंट्स के लिए LGBTQ था उस टाइम, दिस इज फॉर अस एंड लाइक आवर चिल्ड्रन वुड बी लाइक it will be difficult for them to understand because it's new for them or whatever.
And
हो ही
somebody
सकता है.
feels like a cat, not a human being.
Exactly, and that's normal. Like you can't just snatch away someone's identity or something like that.
but
Could be.
right now we cannot put logic to this thing.
Exactly.
मतलब कि we get the feelings aspect, sexuality, orientation किसी का, but this is something we cannot pin a point to. So
yeah, because it's just not logically fitting anywhere.
right now. So maybe our children will be like, what the hell are these people talking about? And it's just complexing the layers and layers, and I don't know how it's gonna pan out. But also like there are some small city guys जैसे रॉकी रानी में दिखाया था, जिनको नहीं पता, मतलब जो है थोड़ा सा उनके अपब्रिंगिंग में ही रेसिज्म था कि दादा दादी ने बोला चाय पियोगे तो काले हो जाओगे और ये सब नॉर्मली नहीं होता, तो बट it's not like they're not trying.
They're willing to learn.
So we also need to be just calmer
Gentle
with
with
that.
them.
Like just be like, it's
समझो,
okay. Like
समझो.
step by step, you can't just get up and like, नहीं ये नहीं बोल सकते, वो नहीं बोल सकते. And that was so cute. The dialogue Rocky had, ऐसे बोलो तो ऐसे हो जाता है, ऐसे बोलो तो ऐसे हो जाता है, हमें तो किसी ने बताया ही नहीं, फिर cancel
I'm
कर
a
देते हैं.
fragile.
So also we need to take them slowly कि अच्छा अगर if they are willing to change and understand, so आराम आराम से just be gentle with
But I
them.
also feel that we are living like totally different worlds. दो ऐसे हैं जिसमें one side we talk about these things like creators who have like good following and उनका अच्छा खासा reach है, they can talk about it because like they have built some audience and all of that. But like there are a lot of budding creators. Even I don't know why people spread so much hatred उन पे because they are still budding and creating content and all of that. Why so much time?
हाँ मतलब अगर
I
just
don't
live
understand.
and let live, मतलब वो तुम्हारे
Exactly.
उसमें आके थोड़ी कुछ कर रहे हैं, so if they are choosing to live a certain way, just let
Let
it
them.
be. They put so much efforts to put the thought across, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है जो already established हो गए हैं, they say things obviously, but they think कि
They
पता नहीं,
don't care actually.
नो दे थिंक पता नहीं इस तक पहुंचेगा नहीं, ये पढ़ता होएगा कि नहीं, बट जो बढ़ेंगे, जो भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं, जो और ही स्मॉल सिटी से आया है, उसको वो दबाना चाहेंगे ना, बिकॉज दे नो इट विल अफेक्ट. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी एंड sadist you have to be to do that.
I remember this news. I don't know पिछले साल का है या कब का है. This boy, I think teenager ही था वो. He used to put a lot of makeup reels on Instagram, and he was very vocal about his identity and all of that. Why people, I don't know, spread so much hate and all of that. He committed suicide, and that was so sad. He was like so putting, I don't know, so much pressure on himself and even like his parents and all of that. And then people would come and say that we should not be doing that, not spreading
वो
hatred
तो
and all of
it's a
that.
reality of our society ना, something happens and then you come up with a candle march when things go too much haywire, then you do candle marches. नहीं होना चाहिए था.
But like कुछ सीखते तो नहीं हो ना तुम
वो
उससे.
तो in every aspect we are just living in that vicious
I
cycle.
don't know, people are just not afraid of anything on social media. Like no filter at all. They will write whatever they want to without thinking about someone else's mental health or anything. Like nothing. I don't know why this dark humor thing is so much out there that people would literally make joke of death and so sensitive topics. And that is just so saddening.
No, Samir Raina was hurt in this.
I don't know. This is something. मतलब लगता नहीं ऐसे सेंसिटिव
भाई
बहुत
सोशल
कम होते
मीडिया
जा रहे हैं लोग.
ऐसा प्लेग्राउंड हो गया है ना कि जो बुलशिट कमेंट्स हैं, बुलशिट ओपिनियंस है, वो भी आके उनका भी मीट एंड ग्रीट हो रहा है. एंड इफ यू आर समथिंग टॉकिंग पॉजिटिव एंड यू आल्सो हैव अ मीट एंड ग्रीट, सो आई थिंक
It's a mix.
yeah, you cannot filter it up to anything. If you are getting the kind of people who think like you will get people who are like trash talkers, and it's the
But
society.
यही है ना कि if you're not interested in anything or something, then just वो आता है ना dots, उधर जाके not interested.
But
Just don't
वही
spread
तो, but
hate.
how much
Just
unemployment
ignore.
there has to be. I remember somebody commenting on our video, and it was not like a vague comment कि भाई कुछ भी लिख दिया देख के. He actually saw the content and he mentioned that we are unmarriable and this and that. I mean,
इतना तो हमारे दोस्त भी नहीं लिखते. उसने
वही
पूरा
तो.
1 या 2 लाइनर का कमेंट लिखा
guys, what
था.
is happening? I need like 2-liner comments from everybody right now.
Exactly. And I also remember somebody is watching our video from Pakistan.
Yeah,
That was so sweet.
love
Yeah.
back.
Made us smile.
I think we can end here
Yes.
just by saying live and let live.
Hmm.
And if you are somebody in their 20s and still not open about these things, I think read up and
Yeah,
just,
it's time.
yeah,
Evolve,
let's
grow.
evolve to be a better society. Let's make better children and all that. Yeah, just that.
That's it. Subscribe, like, follow, and yeah, that's it. We'll see you in our next episode.
Like, share, subscribe.
Bye.